My name is Stuart Mercer. I'm from PSD Grounds Care, and today I'd like to show you two new products that we have from the Eliet stable, two new green waste products, one of which, the one on our left, is a track machine. The one on the right is a wheeled machine. Both machines are self-propelled and for commercial use. The capacity of both machines is 100 centimetres, and apart from the fact that one is on tracks and one is on wheels, the machines are identical. Firstly, I'd like to show you some features at the front end of the machine. The most important feature on the shredding range of products from Eliet is the blade system. The blades are easily accessible via a knob on the left-hand side of the machine, which rotates, and then the front canopy swings open to reveal the blades. This is great for access for maintenance, for sharpening the blades and for cleaning the blades. The blade system on Eliet, as I said, is unique, totally different to the conventional chippers, and that is why we call these machines green waste shredders, because they're designed for handling material that chippers do not like. Wet green waste, leaves, brambles, Leylandii, that type of material will pass through this machine with ease. The blades are what make the big difference. As you can see, we have a series of blades on a single rotor, which, as the material comes through, instead of cutting across the grain of the wood as a conventional chipper, we cut with the grain of the wood, which makes splitting the wood much more easier and breaks it up into slender slivers rather than a dense chip, which is far better for composting and degrades much quicker. As the material enters the cutting chamber, the blades, which are all faced in different directions, direct the material backwards and forwards numerous times across the cutting chamber to give a really nice shred that is perfect for composting. And then eventually the shred is intercepted by the fan at the side of the machine and is blown up the housing and away back into the hedge. And the chute is rotatable. The chute is fully adjustable. We can spin the chute around. There's a small locating catch here to lock it into position when you find the direction that you wish to send the shred. And the shred, of course, you can simply put back into the hedge, or you can put it into a dumpy bag for taking away or for storage, into a barrow, even into a dustbin. The chute also collapses for easier storage and maintenance. At the end of the chute, we have a deflector plate to send the material to where you would like to collect it, or to simply throw it back into the hedge. Also, as well, for safety, when the cutting chamber door is open, you cannot start the machine. There is a safety cutout switch here. As the door is closed, the switch presses in, which then enables you to start the machine. We have an easy accessible filler cap for the fuel located on the side of the machine, and a large capacity fuel tank. Both machines have hydraulic drive systems, which are controlled via the levers at the back. On the track machine, we have two separate ones that operate the tracks independently. On the wheeled machine, we have one single lever, and at the back of the machine, caster wheels to help you assist you to move the machine around. The drive system works basically when you twist the levers forwards, the machine will go forwards. The further you twist them, the faster it will go, and twist them back towards yourself and the machine will go backwards. Inside the hopper, we have on all of the machines a hydraulically operated feed roller, which is sprung loaded so that it can move up and down within the chamber and ride over the various sizes of material that are presented to it. The feed roller will lift to a maximum of 100 centimetres or 4-inch capacity. The machines have a capacity of 10 centimetre for material, and the feed rollers will lift up to that height. The feed roller is controlled via the levers at the back of the machine here. This lever is pressed forward, which will send the feed roller backwards. So if you have any material in there that you wish to pull back out, then that's the simplest way to do it. If you pull the levers up, they will lock in position, and that will take the material into the machine. In the feed out position, the levers do not lock. If you're feeding in and for some reason you need to stop the feed rollers quickly, the easiest way is to press on this safety bar, and that will then stop the feed rollers. We also have a further safety button on the back of the machine, which when pressed will stop the machine and the engine. The machine also features an ABM system, which is an anti-stress device which is designed to protect the machine. When large amounts of material are put through and puts the machine under maybe too much stress, there's a device that stops the feed roller momentarily, allowing the machine to clear any material that is in the cutting chamber, and so as not to stall the machine or do any damage. All the machines feature 14 horsepower powerful petrol engines fitted with electric key start. So just to recap on the options of machines available in the Pro 6 range, we have the track machine, we have the wheeled machine, and we have the towed option. The machines are suitable for many types of operators, including landscape gardeners, contractors, local authorities, national trust sites, or just large gardens or private estates.